Hey everybody, Mr. Hayden here. Just going to show you the text-based game that I made called Escape the Death Star. It's based, of course, off of Star Wars Episode 4. So you run the code, and you have some text at the beginning. Kind of tells you what the game is about. And you can pause this video if you want to, read this in detail. But you're presented with a choice. You can go backwards by pressing 1. You can go forwards by pressing 3. You can go down the garbage chute by pressing 2. Now, if you've watched the movie, you know you're supposed to go down the garbage chute. But I'm going to go press 3, enter, and that was the wrong choice. and so it gives me a little bit of text here and says, sorry, the game is over. So I'm going to run the code again. This time, I'm going to choose to go backwards. So I'm going to type in 1. And it says, it looks like a long hallway, but it's actually a dead end. Turn around, and actually sends me right back to the start. So now I'm going to press 2 to go down the garbage chute. Slide into a garbage chute, and then you have another choice. And of course, you have if statements to handle these choices. Press 1 to blast your way out. Press 2 to call C3PO. So you're supposed to call C3PO. And then, so you see, I have like a little bit of breaks here, so I don't have all of the text right up against each other. I would recommend that you have that too. You can have like a little break by just putting print and then nothing inside the quotes. So anyway, we have another decision here. You can go left, you can go right. And so I'll go left, I guess. Oops, we're good to go over here. Press 1, enter. And you could try to run away. Press 2 to use. I'm going to try to run away. I'm going to press 1. And it says you attempt to run away. However, the guards are pretty fast. And it sends me back to the detention center. So basically sends me back to the start. So I have a function called detention center. So I can keep calling that if I want to go back to the start. Okay. So now I know I'm supposed to go down the chute, call C3PO. I'm going to go right, and runs Darth Vader. Oh no. And so I'm gonna have to battle. Should I run away? Gosh, I think I'm gonna run away from Darth Vader. I'm a little scared of him. And actually, I was able to run away from the Sith Lord. Oh my goodness. Now I have a deep chasm I have to cross. Should I jump or should I swing? I'm going to try and swing on the rope. So I swing, and I basically reached my goal, which was to escape the Death Star, but I don't have the Death Star plans because I forgot the droids. So I can go back to the beginning of the game by pressing 1. That basically sends me to the detention center, or I can just press 2 to stop. Okay? So that's kind of how the game works. And I guess you can pause the video if you want to read all that text. But over here is the code. Let's just move that over a little bit. Okay. That's as much as I can move it over. All right, so here is the function for the detention center. So this is like your start of your game. All right, and notice if we go down the dead end hallway, I'm just going to call detention center again. So I'm calling the same function. That's actually what we call a recursive function. And if I make it out, I'm going to go of the detention center and go to trash compactor, and then that's another function. And then, if the game is over, then it just stops there. But if I make it out of one function, it basically calls another function like main hallway and so on and so forth. All right. And then I have a method called win game. And based on whether or not I have the droids, I can get an ultimate win, that's this, or I can get kind of like a partial win. Now, if I have a partial win, I can go go back to the detention center, start over, and see if I can get like the ultimate win. And then this is the text that starts the game. Notice this is not inside of a function. So we go here first, and they have the opening text. Hey, welcome to the game. Here's how the game works. And then we go to detention center to get started. Okay. Of course, you can pause the video to get a closer look at my code if you like. I'm super excited to see what everybody comes up with. So can't wait to play all of your games. All right, bye for now.